Okay, we're coming back for a winter checkup on the kitty cats.
I hope you get to see some.
Let's check and see. Are there any out?
Oh, look right there.
Oh, there's one.
Huh?
Kitty, kitty.
Oh, is
There we go, Kiki.
I think this is our friend. I remember this one. They're out.
Kitty, 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 kitties.
Oh, that one's over there now.
Kitty, 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 kitties.
This one's sitting and scratching its ear. I wonder where they all go though, because there's like so many of them.
Oh, there we go. Here comes baby.
Our friend.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Oh. Hi.
Oh, she's still out here.
Hi.
She's still out here, baby. Yeah.
Such a pretty coat.
She's all fluffed up right now because it's cold.
Yeah.
I'm glad she's doing good. Oh, comes another one.
Oh, I remember this one.
I do too.
Comes right
I
up to
remember
you.
you every time,
Hi.
baby. Yeah.
Oh, this one's so pretty.
This one wants to scratch his. There we go. Hi, baby. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
This
Oh,
one has a very distinct nose.
distinct nose. Oh, yeah, look at that.
It has a lot of color.
Well, they're still taking care of them. They got their water, their food, and their shelters. Another big shelter over here. And they're happy. They're happy.
Oh.
This is bumping me. Bump him out of the way. Oh, you're bumping him out of the way.
But its head into your arm. Wants your attention.
Mm-hmm. You're fighting over attention.
This one really likes attention.
Awesome. I'm glad they're doing good.
Me too.
All right. That's your winter checkup, everybody. We'll come back.
This one wants to come home with us.
Always does. Always does.
Loves the attention.
Good babies. Yeah. What did I just hear?
I think I hear a dog.
I don't know. Alrighty. Don't be scared.